Hey, welcome back. So in this video, we will discuss about the nested conditionals in JavaScript. So when we have been discussing about the if statements, we have seen the nested conditionals for a bit, but in this video, we will be discussing about the nested conditionals in a much more detail. So what exactly is a nested conditional? A nested conditional is a conditional inside of a conditional. Okay. So for example, here in this video, we will work with the example of a password validator. Okay. So first of all, let's declare a variable. So let password equals to, and let's set that thing up with an empty string for right now. All right. Now, the length of the password must be greater than 6 characters, right? So we will check if password dot length, if that is greater than or equals to 6, okay, then we want to do something else. We just want to console log, okay, console log password, okay, must be at least 6 characters. Okay, all right. So what I'll do, I'll just do something like this. Let me just save that. And as you can see, password is empty string. That is why we are seeing this one. So what I'll do, okay, so let's me just go to view and word wrap. All right. Okay, so this is the else condition here, right? Now inside of the if condition, we want to check if the password is containing some sort of the spaces or not. If the password contains spaces, then the password is not considered to be a secure password, for example, in our case. Okay, so let me just check if the password is containing spaces. So how we can check? We can check it by the index of. So if password dot index of the space here, okay, the space, if that is equals to something, okay, so if the password does have some spaces, then this index of method will return us the index of the space, right? The first occurrence of the space. Okay, so here what we can do, if the password does not contain any spaces, then what will happen? This whole thing will return us -1. Okay, so we will check if that is not equals to -1. Okay, that means the password is containing some sort of a space, right? So what we can do, we can do something like this. Password length is good, but password cannot contain spaces. All right. Okay. All right. Else, if the password do not contain any spaces, right, then what we can do something like this: console log of valid password. Okay, so as you can see, we have basically written our small little password validator here. Okay, so now let's change the passwords. So let's do a b c d e f. Okay, now if I just save that, as you can see, we are getting valid password. But in case if I just add a space here and save that, as you can see, password length is good, but password cannot contain spaces. Okay, so I hope that makes sense. And as you can see, we are writing the if conditions or the if else condition inside of another if condition here. Okay, and this is the nesting of the conditionals. This is the nested conditionals. Okay, All right, so in this video, we have discussed about the nested conditionals in JavaScript.